What's up, Nyammings family? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm sharing my flavorful and rich sorrel recipe with you. If you're from the Caribbean, you know that Christmas is not Christmas without sorrel. So let's get started. So here I have a pack of dried sorrel. I'm using dried sorrel because that's what's available to me. If you have fresh sorrel, it's the same recipe. There I have some ginger, which I already went ahead and beated. You can also grate your ginger. I love a gingery sorrel. There I have 2 cinnamon sticks for more flavor and a piece of orange peel. Maybe this is known to you in your country as a different name, maybe Zobo or Hibiscus. It's the same thing. So we're now gonna go ahead and give our sorrel a quick rinse just to remove any impurities. So here I have a pot with some water. There I'm going in with the orange peel, the cinnamon sticks, and the ginger. We're gonna leave this and let this come to a boil, and as soon as it comes to a boil, we're gonna go in with our sorrel and we're gonna turn off our stove. Because sorrel, you don't cook sorrel. You steep your sorrel or you draw it. That's what they would say in Jamaica. Cover and let it sit overnight. The longer it sits, the richer it gets. And this is the next day. And look at that, beautiful, rich and flavorful. It smells like Christmas. This is gonna be so good. Now we're gonna go ahead and strain, and you want to strain twice. I'm straining once on camera, but ensure to strain twice so you have a smooth finish. So after straining, you want to go in with your sugar. I'm using brown sugar here, but you can use any sugar of your choice. You want to give it a stir. I already know that I need more sugar because sorrel is very tangy. It takes a lot of sugar. So I'm gonna go in with some more sugar, and after you add your sugar and you give it a stir, you want to go in with your alcohol. If you're using alcohol, it's not a must, it's your choice. So you can add some rum and wine, or rum alone or wine alone. So I'm just gonna go in with just a little bit of Red Label. And look at that, rich. That's how I like my sorrel. No water down sorrel around here. Flavorful. So you can put it on your refrigerator and let it chill, or you can serve it right away with some ice. My Jamaican girlfriend was just in time to get some of this, and she was like, wow. It feels like Christmas in November. I'm telling you guys, if you never had sorrel before, you should definitely give it a try. And if you had sorrel before, you know what I'm talking about. Yes, very tasty. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Remember to share with your friends and family. And if you haven't yet subscribed, subscribe for some more awesome recipes. Happy holidays, and thank you so much for watching. See you in another one. Bye for now.